Today, my friend Memo and I are going to be talking about how our bodies change in response to emotion.
The system responsible for the physiological changes in our body is the nervous system.
The nervous system has two main parts. First up is the central nervous system.
The central nervous system is made up of the brain and spinal cord.
The role of the central nervous system is to carry messages to and from the brain and the body.
The second main part of the nervous system is the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system can further be divided into two parts. One is the autonomic nervous system, which controls the involuntary processes from sympathetic and parasympathetic division. Parasympathetic division controls your body's response during times of rest and calmness. Heart rate slows, body energy is preserved, and the body conducts activities at basal levels. In sympathetic division, which is arousal caused by stimulus, the ANS will cause the body to engage in a state of fight or flight. As a result, heart rate increases, breathing becomes more rapid, blood flow to organs reduce, and blood flow to muscles increase.
These bodily system and responses, along with our cognitive response to stimuli, make up emotion.
But which comes first?
According to layperson's theory, we first have a cognitive response to a stimulus and then our body physically responds.
For example, you have to give a speech in 10 minutes. You think you are underprepared and worry you won't do well. As a result, your body responds with an increased heart rate, sweat, and shakiness.
However, the James Lange hypothesis claims that the order is reversed.
For example, you have to give a speech in 10 minutes. You feel your body start to sweat and shake and your heart pound. As a result, you feel nervous.
Schachter and Singer believe that both of these factors are needed in order to construct an emotion.
This is called the two-factor theory of emotion, in which emotion is based on both physiological arousal and cognitive label.
This means that we first experience a physiological response that the brain identifies and gives it a cognitive label that is associated with an emotion. Then we feel the emotion.
For example, I am walking alone and see a strange man walking my way. My heart starts to beat faster, my muscles tighten. These responses are caused by fear. I am frightened.
This theory also proposed that the level of arousal is similar in all emotions, so physical arousal alone cannot be responsible for emotions.
Despite which theory you think sounds the most correct, each has its criticisms. But at the very least, all three of them recognize two important factors in emotion: physiological response and cognitive response.
So now we know how emotions work within our body. But wait, what prompts the body to respond this way?